How do you get chocolate stains out of a t-shirt? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to get the chocolate out. Coming up. If we're just meeting, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach traditional homemaking for today's woman. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry, hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's talk about chocolate stains on shirts. One of my subscribers said that she was having a little trouble getting chocolate stains out of shirts and wanted to know if I could provide any answers. And I was watching a video on the Rachel Ray Show, and they had a guy on there named John Medesian, and he is the manager for one of the oldest dry cleaners in New York City called Madame Paulette's, and he was showing his secret formula for getting stains out. And I thought I would give it a try. And then here's the other thing. So many of today's women are into natural products. And whereas I tend to go with like the OxyClean and all those kinds of things, so many of today's people want natural products. And his secret formula was just white vinegar, a degreaser such as a dishwashing liquid, and water. And I thought I'd give it a try and see if it worked, and it did. So here's a sweet little t-shirt that some little girl might wear for a special occasion, and maybe there's chocolate in the offing, and the next thing you know, there's chocolate on the shirt. So what started out as a pristine white shirt now looks like this. So tip number 1 is to give it a rinse. Get the garment off the individual as quickly as possible and then rinse it in cold water because you might be able to get it out that way. Now chocolate seems to be a little bit more difficult to get out, and sometimes what happens is when you try that rinse, it just kind of spreads it out a little bit further. But first of all, if it's fresh, tip number 1, give it a rinse. Tip number 2 is to treat it. And you're going to treat it with a combination of degreaser, dishwashing liquid, white vinegar, and water. So let's do that and see how that works. Now this is my first foray into natural products and making my own products. And I'm really glad to give this a try because like I said, so many of my ladies are wanting to know more about making their own cleaning products at home. So this was a great opportunity for me to give it a try. So what do we have to have? Well, first of all, you want to take 2 ounces of a degreaser, like a dishwashing liquid, and you can use whatever dishwashing liquid it is that you normally use. So 2 ounces of dishwashing liquid or a degreaser. And I know a lot of people will use Dawn, and we just happen to be out of that right now. You also want 2 ounces of white vinegar, and then 2 ounces of water. And then you're going to mix that up. So I'm going to move this over to the side. Now I'm going to bring over our little white shirt. Now I put the white shirt on a towel. Now when they showed their use of the solution, they had a button-up white shirt. But most of the time when these things happen, it's a shirt that's like a t-shirt or a shirt that just doesn't button up that way. So I'm going to take a white towel and put underneath the stain because what I don't want to have happen is for the stain on the top to bleed through on the back side of the shirt. So I put this towel on the inside because I want her to be able to wear this shirt another time. Now remember I said the first thing you want to do is rinse. But if you're unable to rinse it or you don't rinse it, the second thing you want to do is to treat. So let's go straight to treating and see how things work out. Now I'm going to take a cloth and just dab at the stain. Look at that, it's coming out. That's coming out pretty good, look at that. Now we're going to need to let it soak. I am really pleased with the way this is looking. You can kind of see that the stain is almost gone, but now what I'm going to do is put it in to let it soak for the next 20 minutes, and then we'll throw it in the wash and then we'll see how it looks. Because here's the thing, the stain will be out to a point that this shirt will be wearable, but if I can get the stain completely out, that's what I'd like to do. So now let's put it in to soak, and then we'll come back and we'll see what it looks like before we throw it in the wash. Like, one of the things I like to do is once I get the stain treated, is I'll give it a little scrub like that, just to see if that little agitation can help get the stain out. So let's take it over and give it a little soak. And I'll add just a little bit of my stain fighting solution to the soap water. And we'll let it soak for about 20 minutes and then we'll see what's what. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, so now let me get this little shirt out and see how it's looking. Okay, the stain's gone. It looks pretty good. So that additional little scrub that I gave it and then letting it soak in the stain removing solution really helped out quite a bit. Looks pretty good. And now it'll be time to throw this in the wash. The washer has stopped, so now let's take a look at this garment. Oh, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. There is no chocolate left anywhere on this little shirt. So it is absolutely perfect. I am just really, really pleased with how it looks. And if there's nothing on here now, when it dries, it'll be even better. So this certainly turned out nicely, and some little girl will be able to wear this pretty little shirt on another day. I hope you enjoyed today's session in the Laundry Lab. I always enjoy trying to solve your laundry problems. So what are your laundry dilemmas? Tell me in the comment section below. And maybe next time when we're in the Laundry Lab, I'll be answering one of your laundry questions. And if you like this video, you might want to check out my How to Get White Shirts White. I will link it above with an iCard and also put it below in the comment section. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children and I have managed a home for more than 45 years. So I've done a lot of laundry. So if you want to learn more about traditional homemaking, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you next time in the laundry lab.